Hello and welcome back to Kali Linux Wireless Pen Testing. Section 5 focuses on detecting hidden Bluetooth device. In this section, we are going to learn about Bluetooth basics, that what is a Bluetooth and how does the concept of Bluetooth works, what are the different versions of Bluetooth, and then we will be using three main tools in Kali Linux as part of wireless, which is BlueLog, so that you can scan to find all possible Bluetooth devices in the area, or the reachable meters, Redfang, to identify the hidden Bluetooth devices by giving a particular range of MAC addresses, and SpoofTooth is how we can spoof another Bluetooth device during the pairing or during the communication. Excellent. Let's move ahead and try and understand what is this Bluetooth. I cut it short to three words. It is inquire, connect, participate. That's the three main ways how a Bluetooth technology works. But let's try and get the basics very straight. Towards your left, you can see something, a real tooth, which is covered with blue. Well, it's just for fun, but Bluetooth is a standardized protocol for sending and receiving data through 2.4 GHz wireless link. So that is why we have tried to explain with comparison of Bluetooth normal and Bluetooth low energy, and then the new IoT technology utilized a standard on Zigbee and also Wi-Fi, how you can compare the frequencies and the maximum raw bit rate and typical throughput and maximum ranges and relative power consumption and battery life and network size and etc. So these days it feels like everything is wireless, right? And the Bluetooth is definitely a bigger part of the wireless revolution. And when it comes to connected computers and the smart homes, you can see the Zigbee has changed the way the systems and products reaching the consumer market. Typically, the products like headset, video game controllers, and the stock trackers. In this world of embedded electronic hackery, Bluetooth serves as an excellent protocol for wireless transmitting for the small amount of data or a short range. So you can see the range. Maximum outdoor is 100 meters, and the range is on a class 1 or class 2. But in case of BLE, which is Bluetooth low energy, is around 50 meters. For the Zigbee, it's similar to the Bluetooth Classic, but for Wi-Fi, you can see a whole lot. It's more than 200 meters. The concept that works in Bluetooth is Bluetooth networks is also referred as piconets, which has masters, slaves, and then piconets. Use of master-slave model to control when and where devices can send data. And it always includes a Bluetooth address and the name. The Bluetooth address normally is 48-bit unique address. And lower 24 bits or more unique part of the address is mostly the manufacturer or the organization unique identifier is the other 24 bit. The creating the Bluetooth connection between two devices is a very simple three-step as we explained before. Inquire, connect, participate. So if two Bluetooth devices know absolutely nothing about each other, one must run an inquiry and try to discover the other. Step 1. Step 2 is a process connect, is a process called paging. Process of forming a connection between two Bluetooth devices. And finally, it is participate. After the connection or the paging process is complete, the connection state is established. And it has 4 different modes: the active mode, sniff mode, hold mode, and park mode. I'm sure pretty much everyone knows how to connect a device to another Bluetooth device. They have a bonding and pairing. When two Bluetooth devices share a special affinity to each other, they can be bonded together. Bonded device automatically establish the connection. Example, you come back to your home, you connect to your TV once, so that the pairing is already established. Whenever your Bluetooth is on and you enter nearby the range, it automatically pair. that is called as bonding. It's a one-time process with a pin number. Another interesting part to be known before we dive into detecting the Bluetooth devices is understanding the serial profile and advanced audio distribution profile and the hands-free profile, headset profile. These are something which we will explore once we pair a device. Let's take a quick understanding about Bluetooth versions and its additions. The first version basically had protocols and it was more stable, but they were supporting the rates up to 1 Mbps or probably lesser than 1, which is 0.7 Mbps, around 10 meter maximum range. And Bluetooth version 2.1 plus enhanced data rate, which increased the data rate potentially up to 3 Mbps. In 2007 it was released, and it also introduced something to do with the security on securing simple pairing. 2.1 is still the commonly used Bluetooth for low-speed microcontrollers such as RN42 Bluetooth module, and in Kali we would be utilizing the Blues 5.0, the one. And the latest one is Bluetooth 4.0 and the BLE, and we've also started seeing the one on Bluetooth 5.0 because the data is actually transmitted over the Wi-Fi by using 802.11. But by right, the Bluetooth Classic utilizes 802.15.1 and Zigbee utilizes 15.4. Alright, this is the very basics that we can talk about in Bluetooth.